Gusto mo bang maglaro ng games sa Nikki, pero wala kang coins? Well, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano makakuha ng free coins or additional coins sa Nikki. But before that, don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe after watching the video. Paano nga ba makakakuha ng maraming coins sa Nikki ng free? So, unang-una na dyan ay kung ikaw ay new user, so meron tayong value pack na 500% off kung ikaw ay new user. Aside from that, may makukuha kang 7,000 na coins, meron ka pang corals or 100 times, and then meron ka pang 3 days na frame, which is may nakalagay na rich, and then yung recommendation card na 10 din. So, hindi ka nalugi doon, di ba? It cost only 56 pesos. 56 pesos lang. Kung ito-total mo siya doon sa mga items na marireceive mo, it will cost for 280 pesos. So, ang laki na ng na-discount na nakuha mo o binigay sa'yo ni Nikki as a new user. Another way para maka-earn or para makakuha ka ng free coins, pwede kang pumunta din sa profile mo, click me, and then hanapin mo yung activity center, play lucky gifts, together win super prizes. So, doon pa lang meron tayong weekly pool, and then meron tayong last week's pool. Let's say for this week, meron tayong mga corresponding prizes. For the host, kung host ka, kailangan makapag-stream ka at least 2 hours sa loob ng 2 araw sa isang linggo or 7 days. 2 hours in 2 days and in 1 week or 7 days. Okay, so ang next task doon is yung beans income mo in the past 7 days is dapat greater than or equal to 150,000. Okay, so yung beans mo greater than or equal to 150,000. And then, pag na-complete mo yon, yung third na task mo is yung this week's prize pool must reach 40,000 coins. So, dapat yung prize pool mo dun sa games na nalalaro mo ay dapat makakollect ka at least 40,000 coins. Okay, so pag na-complete mo lahat ng yon, tapos may ma-accumulate ka na reward ng coins, pwede mo siyang i-claim the next week. Okay, so meron tayong boost prize pool. So, meron tayong hourly reward, which is nakalagay doon, today's lucky gift, spending in the live room or party room is 100,000 coins. Let's say, nakaspend ka ng 100,000 coins sa party or sa live. So, merong corresponding reward yon na pwede mong i-claim every hour. So, punta ka lang doon, and then maki-claim mo siya. Next is, lucky spending. Yung lucky spending naman is yung lucky gift na na-spend mo or nalaro mo during the live or during the party. Okay, next is yung party with Mike. So, doon naman, meron tayong requirement na 4 people na dapat naka-on mic at mag-i-stay doon sa party mo within 30 minutes. So, 1,000 coins, yung mai-inject doon sa prize pool mo. Ang eligible dito na pwedeng mag-participate ay lahat ng host na nagbo-broadcast dito sa Nikki or lahat ng nagla-live. Okay? So, lahat pwede silang mag-participate dito. Next, weekly prizes rewards ay pwede nilang ma-claim the next week. Okay? Pwede nilang ma-increase yung prize pool points through the following methods: daily party with Mike, in the party room, whenever 4 people go live simultaneously, or the host can earn 1,000 coins per hour with a maximum of 4 times per day. Okay, next, lucky gift consumption. As I have said kanina, yung sinabi ko, based on the total amount of lucky gift coins spent by users in the live room, coins will be injected into the live room prize pool according to the gradient ratio. And hourly reward naman, hourly reward draw, meron tayong by using the above methods, kanina sinabi ko yung per hour, ay dapat makomplete mo yung 40,000 coins, okay, na ma-spend mo dun sa room. And then, dun sa pagki-claim naman, ay dapat makomplete mo yung valid days, 2 days, and then 2 hours daily, and in 7 days, in 7 days. So, sa loob ng 7 days. So, minimum prize requirement is nakalagay naman doon sa requirement kanina, yung total prize pool from the previous week must reach 40,000 coins, and yung earning condition mo should be or not less than or should be greater than 150,000 beans. Okay? So, don't forget that. Next, yung sa hourly reward natin, yung draw time niyan, you can claim that at the top of the hour once you reach the draw threshold. So, every hour siya nagta-top up. Dapat ma-complete mo yung task within that hour, so pwede mo siyang ma-receive after that. So, bago mag-end yung, for example, let's say 1 p.m. So, before mag 2 p.m., pwede mo siyang ma-receive as long as makomplete mo yung threshold or yung task during that hour. Okay? So, ganun lang. Ganun yung method nun. Next is yung game na Asphalt. So, meron tayong Asphalt King. If you play the game Asphalt, meron tayong 3 reward system doon sa game na yon. So, meron tayong top 1, top 2, and top 3. Top 1, meron tayong reward na 300,000 points. Sa top 2, 200,000 points. Sa top 3 is 150,000 points. Or, let's say, so if you are in the 4th place, meron tayong 100,000 points. Sa number 5 or 5th place, meron kang 80,000 points. Sa 6th to 10th place, meron kang 60,000 points. And then, for 11th to 20th place, meron ka namang 40,000 coins. Yung mga magaling mag-asphalt, kung hindi ka pa marunong, itry mo ng aralin. Kasi ang laki ng reward. Ang laki ng makukuha mong coins in exchange of playing the game. Isa pang napakadaling way to earn or para makakuha ka ng free coins sa Nikki is yung limited time event nila na follow us on Facebook and get up to 1,000 coins. So, napakasimple lang ng gagawin mo. I-click mo lang yung event and then click mo doon sa step 1, follow Facebook page, and then mag-open yung Facebook mo or Facebook app mo, follow mo lang yung page ng Nikki, and then take a screenshot na na-follow mo na sila. Once you are done, balik ka doon sa Nikki, and then lagay mo yung ID mo doon sa step 2, lagay mo yung ID, and then upload the screenshot na nakuha mo, and then just click submit. Ganun lang. So, etong event na to ay pinapaalala ko, nag-start siya ng November 1 until November 30.
What are you waiting for? Install Nikki and get and earn more coins now.
Don't forget to follow me for more. Bye!